Welcome to Car Info Master, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on powerful machines, including cars, trucks, and heavy-duty equipment. If you love exploring cutting-edge vehicles, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Massey Ferguson has officially unveiled its next-generation 2025 compact tractor series, and it's already making waves in the agricultural world. Designed for farmers and property owners who need efficiency, durability, and advanced technology, this new series brings major improvements over previous models. AGCO's Massey Ferguson compact tractors are known for their reliability, and the 2025 series takes it to the next level. These new tractors are equipped with more powerful engines, enhanced hydraulics, and advanced transmission systems to ensure smoother performance in all working conditions. Whether you're using them for farming, landscaping, or heavy lifting, these machines deliver outstanding power and efficiency. One of the biggest upgrades in the new 2025 series is the improved operator comfort. The redesigned cabin features better visibility, ergonomic controls, and an upgraded suspension system that reduces fatigue during long working hours. The intuitive dashboard and easy-to-use controls make it perfect for both experienced operators and those new to compact tractors. Another standout feature is the advanced connectivity options. The new models come with smart technology that allows users to monitor performance, track maintenance schedules, and even integrate with other farm management systems. This ensures better productivity and less downtime, making the Massey Ferguson 2025 series a smart investment for any operation. In terms of power, the series offers multiple engine options, ranging from compact utility models to high-performance versions capable of handling tough jobs with ease. Fuel efficiency has also been improved, reducing operating costs without compromising performance. Massey Ferguson has also focused on durability, using high-quality materials and a reinforced frame to ensure these tractors can withstand harsh working conditions. Whether you're plowing fields, moving heavy loads, or maintaining a large property, these machines are built to last. With the official unveiling of the next-generation 2025 compact tractor series, Massey Ferguson continues to set new standards in the industry. These tractors bring the perfect balance of power, technology, and comfort, making them a top choice for modern farmers and landowners. If you want to stay updated with the latest news on tractors, trucks, and high-performance vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Car Info Master. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.